That's right, you're in the rear. You guessed it. Yard and garage sailing. So, if you're into that sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. Supposedly, the yard sale's over here. Oh, I see it. It's right there on the right. All right, wish me luck. Let's see what we have here. Good morning. Excuse me. All right, enjoy your day. Follow the signs. Was it them? I don't know. Hey, shout out to that cool truck. Like that. All right. Finally found some items at that yard sale. Show you that at the end of the video. On to the next one we go. It's looking like another great day. Wow, sun's out, no rain. Man, I think I might have to pass by the beach. Hey, shut up, this manatee holding the mailbox. All right. All right, back in the office. Not that great, but you know what? I'm happy with what I ended up grabbing. Let's start over here. This here. Actually, let me get rid of this damn thing. So this here is a Smith's Precision Sharpening Kit. As you can see, everything is there except for the instructions. So you have medium, coarse, and fine. By the way, if anyone's interested in any of this I'm about to show you, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at. full time at full throttle. Second item is a BSA 22 caliber rifle scope. Comes with the rings for mounting. Brand new, unused. This here is a door seal, just wrapped up. This here is a wallet. This one's really cool. Check it out. I thought it was Coach at first, but it's not. It's a cowhide. Where are the letters I saw? It's right here. If it can grab it, catch it. See if I can get that. Come on. Well, here it says made in Taiwan. It's time to zoom in a little bit. You can see that. And you got a C. And I guess the C is for, let's see. Man, this thing's making me look back. There it is. There we go. Cowhide, leather. I guess that C is for cow. Okay, next item. RCAs. I go through these all the time. Here and there I install systems in people's cars. This here is very new to it. Mazda, Nissan, Mercury, etc. I'm going to hold on to this one because I'm thinking of getting a Ford truck in the future. An old school one, probably 98, 99, who knows. Next item, brand new radio with remote, blah blah blah. Pause, read that. Next item, this one's pretty cool, check this out. From Weston. Electrical instrument. I think they're in New York, but I could be mistaken. But it's in a wooden box. It's got the power cord. Also, this here, I guess that's for here, your AC probes. And then also, your test probes. How cool is that? I haven't plugged it in, kind of a little scared to do that. Alright. Oh, also, it comes with a case. Suppose I have a latch and the hinges, but there's no hinges here on the bottom. It's off, and it's missing one little leg, which is right there. That screw. That's that. File that off to the side. Next item. Oh yeah. Let's go measure some shit up. It's a counter. And the pole extends outwards. Just one of these. See if I can zoom in. Yeah. Get your reading. You know how many feet, inches, etc. Next item. Insulating shrink film. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's that. On to the next. TI home computer. There's the model. Couldn't believe it when I saw this. I was like, wow, I'm gonna grab it. So it comes in the original box. And it has everything but the games in here. There's the unit. There is the video and the power cord. And then underneath it has a few books, etc. That's pretty cool. And lastly, actually, I have one more item over there. I think it's I believe this is an Ontario knife. Very rusty. Splitting right there. But overall in great shape. As you can see. Not sure if I should do a refurbish on this or I don't know. You guys tell me if it's even worth it. It kind of is. That's a really nice knife. Last item right here. Actually, this is a tumbler. Let's see here. By Midway. Tiny. I've got it plugged in and I'm going to power on. You can't really see it shaking, kind of, a little bit. You can hear it. Turn it off. As you see, it rides on that. That's it. That's all I have for you. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick haul video. You guys and gals have a good one. Until the next one, cheers.